Hi guys, today I just wanted to briefly introduce you guys to a few new products that we got for this year, and we're starting off with the MAUS Xtin Klein Gen2. And what this is our famous patented fire suppressor, but in a new design. And what we also have is the MAUS Stixx PRO V1. This protects 0.2 cubic meters, or a space that's roughly 200 liters. And the nice thing with this iteration of the Stixx PRO is that you're now able to get a wider detection area, because you can attach a heat detection cable, giving you a greater detection surface. Now, if 200 liters isn't enough, we got the Stixx PRO 5, and the one that I have here in my hand is the Stixx PRO 10. So it can protect a space of either 500 liters or 1,000 liters. And since you can serial connect these units, you can actually protect spaces even larger than that. Now, where would you want to put a MAUS Stixx PRO? Well, if you have gas stove in your boat, for example, you can put this where you have your gas bottles. You can put it in the battery compartment. You can put it where you have the inverter for your solar panels. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for us for today. Do check us out at maussafety.com, and on social media we are at MAUS Safety at most of the common platforms. That is it. See you in the next one, and stay safe.